Okay. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Let's see. Today. Well, yeah. I mean, okay. Quick recap on what we did last time. We figured out lighting, sort of, mostly. At least enough. Made the spotlight. Made it do what I want it to do, which is, it used to be like adjusting, right? So it acted as if your eyes would adjust to it. So if I looked away and then looked back, you know, it would like lighten up and brighten up. So we fixed that. Not that that's not helpful sometimes, but in this case, I just wanted it to be instantly bright all the time. Then we also figured out how to do a little trigger, where once the player pops in, it used to be over here in the middle. Once the player pops in, walks into it, the spotlight gets turned on. So the spotlight's not on initially, but then I made it because you can't see anything without it. I made it so it just auto happens the second you play. So I promised it just turned on. You just can't see it. So yeah, that's what we did last time, which was good. This time I've got two goals. We'll see how much we get done. Goal one, I want to make an elevator. My idea for my game is that it's a bunch of room to small house size levels that you go in between in an elevator. So kind of need to make an elevator. I did watch the video or two and read up on some stuff in order to make one, and so here's hoping that it goes well. Anyway, so make an elevator, that's step one. And then if we have time tonight, the second goal here is to make a second level, probably just by duplicating this one, and then figure out how to make a trigger so when the player interacts with the trigger, it transports them to the second level. Even though I'm not entirely sure that's how I'm going to want it in the end, that is a helpful thing that I want ultimately to know how to do. So that's the two goals. That's where we're at. First and foremost, we got to make the box for an elevator. We don't want stairs. I'm gonna have the elevator come down right here to the doorway. So actually, with that in mind, I think the plan here is if we just copy that and then just paste it and move it. We want to make just a box, basically, is goal one. Is that how far out I want it? No, not quite. Yep, there we go. Let's see, and then that wall, question mark, or two of these, I think actually is what we want. Right there, right there. I'm getting a hang of moving the camera around to how I want it. I will say that in itself was a learning curve. Initially, I could not get the hang of getting the camera to move how I wanted it to move. Yeah, perfect. And then I want to actually copy that and paste another one and just move it over here, which is good. Okay. And then post that. Let's see. Go on another wall. Take this one. That in line. Looks like it. Up. Is that gonna big? It's a little tall, I suppose. Yeah. Maybe a little tall. For now, it's fine. Ultimately, I think I'd want it like 1.5, you know, like right here. Is that half? I don't. That looks good to me. So somewhere in there. And then we need a ceiling. So I suppose I could have just copied the floor, but here we are. Copy, paste it, and bring it down. A little too far down. That looks big. And drag it over. Okay. Yes. I'm realizing I just took out all the light, huh? Okay, okay. Yeah, that's awkward. Is there a way, while we're here, let's open up the trigger. What do we want? What do we want? We want to open the blueprint. Go. Is there a way to like duplicate this? Like ×2, multiply? Multiply. That's probably what it is, huh? Multiply? Yeah. Okay. Into multiply? Is that how that works? Will it work that way? No. No, it won't. Holy no. Change all of that. That wasn't what we wanted. That's fine. I don't think. What did I just do? Cut it? Oh, okay, that's fine. Whatever. Uh-huh. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to think through what's happening here. So I have the trigger that once the actor overlaps it, it goes off into do once, add spotlight. So now I actually want it, I still only wanted it to happen once, but I need it to add 2 spotlights. There is a component for that. I'm just trying to remember what it's called. It's like duplicate? No. Well, maybe. So I'm gonna look that up. Duplicate. No, I don't think copy. Just delete that. I don't think that was it. If I were gonna name it, what I want to do, I'd want it to be ones into yeah, I don't know. Let me just do a little googling. How to have a trigger do 2 things. Yep. UE5. Yeah, good question. Okay, I mean, I could just copy it all. As it currently stands, that might be the best, at least the shortest route here. Maybe not the best route, but it would be the shortest route. Yeah, sure, we'll try it. Copy that spotlight, because that is not the spotlight we're talking about. That's just a separate one entirely. Drag it over here. Drag it over there. Honestly, actually, let's just do this. Let's just do this. Let's do something else. Okay. Let's add a rectangle light. Holy. Yeah. Okay, we want to rotate that along the. Yep. Okay. X or Y. I don't know which one's green. I forget. I'm gonna place that not in the ceiling, on the ceiling. Specifically, we want to. Holy. Okay. Right in the center of the room, please. Thank you. Okay. We're also gonna need to figure out how to open a door again. That was something that was in that tutorial level I did. I gotta be real with you, I don't remember how to open the door. What is all this? Okay. Wow, look at all that. That's cool. What if we just make a new folder. Call this blueprints. And then we throw some blueprints in there. Yeah, an actor, and call this BB for blueprint door. Right. Okay. And then we wanna can I was that what I wanted? I don't think that was what I wanted. That wasn't it. Well, poo. Nope. I don't know. Sometimes, man. Let's just go SM door. Can I? No. Can't add that door. No. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Sorry to have asked. What if we just copy and then paste? Ah, yes. This. Okay. Yeah, it would operate as a static mesh. That checks out. I'm kind of dumb. Okay. So we have the door, and we want the door to open a certain direction. Let's get the frame in here too. While we're here. We need to rename this. Call this frame. And call this door. Rename, please. Thank you. Door. Okay. Parent socket? What are sockets? What do we mean by this? Interesting. Right, okay. So now it's in the frame, and then it's where we want it. Now we just needed to do something instead of nothing. Which should be add event. No. Do something. Transformation. Add local offset. Add local rotation. We'd want to add local rotation, I believe, for door. Yep. Actor. Add event. Okay. Event begin play. Event when this actor bumps into a blocking object or blocks another actor that bumps into it. This could happen due to things like character movement, using set location with sweep, or physics. What if I like interact with it, you know? I guess for now that would be fine. We can do an event hit. And we'd want it to rotate what on the what axis is that? 90 degrees on the blue? Z? On the blue. 90, right? Yeah, yes. 90 is correct, yes. 90. On so many things. I'm like, oh my gosh, what does all this mean? End match, end turn. No, this is not online turn based. Thank you. How do I get it to return to like normal afterwards? We would want it to reverse. Is reverse the thing? Reverse when after X amount of time. Time? Set timer to execute delegate. Set a timer to execute delegate. Set an existing timer will reset that timer and update it. After like 1 second, yeah. In my head, this won't work, but it might work. Okay. What are you telling me? What's the issue? Type of target array is connect something to reverse to imply a specific type. Array inputs like target array must have an input wired into them. Make array. I don't know. I don't know. Whether we sweep to the destination, not currently not supported for rotation. Okay. Look, okay, let's figure out reverse in a second. No. Hold on. Just these. Why are we deleting it? Okay, we're not. I'm just dumb. Okay, what are the odds that works? Not high? Are we all saying not high? I think we're all gonna say not very high. Well, that's exciting. Why is this door here? What is this door? What is that door? Oh my god, what is all that? No, for real, what in the world is that? Clear it, it's fine, probably. What is this? Oh, this is the door that we were working with. Well then, hold on, everyone. Goodbye, door. Yeah. You're not what I want. Are you? What is this? Oh, that's the door. What is the... What in the world? Look, we want both the frame and the door. Need it out of the ground, at least. Maybe that was part of the problem. Or maybe I'm just dumb and this isn't gonna work again. I don't know. That's too far. That's in our... We don't want it in our elevator. We want it right there. Okay. Right. Up. Okay, so what if we made it go the opposite direction? Maybe that's the problem. Anyone ever think about that? Do you ever think about that? You never thought about that, did you? Edit. That's definitely not the problem. Well, it might be a problem. I don't know if it's the problem. I doubt it's the problem. What do we negative 90 this? Perfect. Compile. Save. Exit. Play. Boop. Oh, damn it. You know, I was gonna build an elevator today, and now we're trying to fix the door. I don't know. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do this way. How to build an opening and closing door in Unreal Engine 5. Thanks. Doors. Okay, create the door actor. Blue. Boop, doop, doop. Yep. Timeline door actor. Yeah, okay. Click add import button to create a new blueprint actor class named BP door actor. Yep. Okay. Class defaults. What? How old is this? Okay, yeah. Then we add in the door frame and the door. Got it. Box collision. And timeline. We want the door frame to be the root component. Components panel, select the door mesh component. Navigate to the details panel and change static mesh to SMDO. Then navigate to the transform category and change the Y location to -45. Right. Just naming them. Okay, cool. Navigate to the transform category and change. So what we're saying is this is all wrong. Just the wrongest little thing anyone's ever come up with. Okay, timeline. Add timeline. We call this timeline. We call this timeline. Hold on. Rename to timeline door. Thank you. Then supposedly we want the frame to be the new group. That is what we're saying. Supposedly. Which is exciting. I don't know what that means for me. Does anyone know what that means for me? No. Okay. It said we'd change the rotation to 45, but why? Why would we do that? What is the point of that? Where did that go? Anyway, did I exit out of it? Is that what I did? I exited out of it. Okay, hold on, everyone. Hold on. Oh, build open and closing door. Yep. Problem is, I'm pretty sure this is all documentation from Unreal Engine 4, which is like old. Um. We need the box collision. That's right. Which we do by adding in here. Box collision. There it is. Hello, box collision. .1. Okay, so we don't actually like want that to. Let's do 0.5, and then do a 2. That's a little wide. We did 1.7. Yeah, that'll work. And then we want it 5. Well, maybe if it was all the way down there, yeah. 5's just a bit too tall. 3? 3 is just a bit too small. Okay, 3.5. Okay, we made a box. We made a box. Okay, now how do we get it to do what we want? This is pretty much, actually, this should operate relatively closely to how you get whatever to operate. Oh my god. Maybe I didn't, and it's just been hiding behind the Unreal Engine here, but I don't want to do that, so we're just gonna reopen it and pull it over here. Okay, we got the box. We did the box. We set up the door frames. Timeline for yep. Except this says location should be 45 on the y-axis. Is that just so it fits in the frame and I just manually did that? Hold on, everyone. There we go, door. Ugh. Yeah, that's a little busted. Let's go back to 50. I highly despise that the door is too big for this frame. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm not gonna stress about it that much. Okay. We are here. Timeline component requires a timeline curve to describe its movement animation. Each curve can contain multiple keys. Yeah. Double clicking the timeline component in the event graph to open the timeline editor. Click add float curve. Door rotation. Right click to add 2 keys to your float curve. One with the value of 1 and another with the value of 590. 5 being seconds? I think so. Okay, we open this up. We add a float track. And then we say this is door animation. Okay, and then we say want one on 0, 0. Maybe. How do I add one? How do I add one? Add key. And then add a second key. And then the first one we want to be on 0, 0. That's where it's at, right? No. Okay, it's not. And then the second one was supposed to be at 590. And then we're supposed to auto make it go Lulu. Auto play? No. Not auto play. We want auto something. Definitely auto something. Just don't remember what that something is. Hold on. I believe I'm supposed to double click both. Auto. Perfect. Compile, save. So that's working now. I keep hiding it. I'm gonna remember to not do that. I'm going to remember to not do that. There's gonna be like 30 tabs open by the time the stream is over. Okay. Door actor done. Done. Okay. Drag the door. Drag off the door pin and from the action context menu set relative location. Right click the event graph for make rotator. Turn value for the new rotation. On overlap, play. End overlap, play the reverse. That checks out. Okay. Yeah, that's basically how you make an elevator. So, you know, we're kind of on track with what I said we were going to do. You know, like, we're pretty much doing the same thing. I'm also pretty sure I just hit that again, so I hope I don't need it. Okay, well, first we pull this out, and then we connect this to... Hold on, give me a second. It was named rotation. I thought it was, at least. Well, pill. It wasn't. Which means, you know what that means? That means we have to pull it all open again. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry to everyone that was hoping to watch a professional streamer. You came to the wrong place. Door. Set relative rotation. Make rotator. Okay, those are two different things. We had it right. Okay, set. Set relative rotation for the door. Oh, okay. Thanks, UE5. And then make rotator. Make rotator. For the Z. Okay. And then over here, we want to no, that's not it. That is not. Go away, please. God damn it. Just stop. Go back to. Okay. Overlap. Oh, okay. Hold on. It'd be in the box. It's gonna be in the box. It's gonna be in the box near the bottom. On component begin overlap. Boop. We go whoop, play, and then we do another one and overlap. And this one is reversed. We have the slight problem of the door not being anywhere near the frame. Is that where we want it? Yeah, basically. Is the box where we want it? Yeah, basically. Oh, is this gonna work? Oh, is this gonna work? Oh gosh, is this gonna work? Oh, it's right here. That's why. File and save. Do we think this will work? I hope your answer was no. No, it won't. Not even close. Also, the door's too high. I think. I think. Hold on. Yeah, the door specifically? No, the whole thing. Hold on. Awkward. That's awkward. That's awkward. Okay. Well. So, something went horribly wrong, and I don't know what. I don't know what. I'm trying to figure out what went wrong. You overlap the box. Thing is supposed to just play. I don't know why we're paused right now. What does that even mean? I don't know. And it'll play the door animation to 90 degrees is the new rotation. So what's wrong? I don't know what's wrong. Door? What is that? Oh gosh. What did I do wrong? I don't know. I wish I could tell you. Whoa, everyone sees. Okay. Okay. What did we do wrong? Where did it all go wrong? Yep. Yep. Oh, excuse me. I am sorry. At this point, the beep beep doors active class default should not look as they do in the example below. Door frame, door box. Yeah. From the BP Door Actors Component tab, select the Door Frame Static Mesh and drag it over the default scene root component to make it the new root component. I believe we did that. Yeah. Yep. Okay. And then next, select the Door Frame Static Mesh in the Components tab. And from the Details panel, change the Static Mesh to SM Door Frame. Huh. It already is. That's done. Change it to door. Door. Is it because the box is? Hold on. Is the hierarchy messed up here? I don't want to attach it to the box. I just don't want it to be underneath anymore. Hold on. How do I? I don't want this. I just. Hold on. Was that the problem the whole time? Can we pretend like it was? Well, let's pretend like that was it. That was the whole problem. Please go away. Dang it. Dang it! It was too good to be true. Yeah, okay. Oh, BP door, hello. Edit, please. We're back, we're back. Okay. I don't know why they're so set on me putting that at 45. I don't know. I'm not gonna, I don't think that's the problem, so we're gonna not do that. I hope that's not the problem. Begin by double clicking the door timeline component. Yes, we did that. Add a float curve. Yes, we did that. Yep. Right clicked, add 2 float keys. Yep. 590. Got it. Did it. Do both. From the key interpolation drop down, select the auto interpolation. We might as well double check these things to ensure that we did it. This one. And this one. Auto. Yep. We did it. Wild that. Okay. Now we need to create the update logic. Navigate to the BP door actors component tab. Drag the door into the event graph. Dragged. Drag the door pane, and from the actions context, set relative rotation. Done. Right click the event graph, and from the context, make rotator. Done. Drag the Z into the Z. Yep. Mission accomplished. From the door timeline, return value to new rotation. And there it is. There's the problem. Update to that. Okay. We figured it out. Probably. Hopefully. I really hope so. I really hope so. We're gonna just dock that up there. Like, and then we're gonna hit play. And we're gonna hope and pray that this one works. My gosh. Please, please. No. Do something. Door. Why won't you do? Why? What is all that problem? Door has to be movable if you'd like to move. The door's not movable? Oh gosh, what do we mean the door's not? It's static? Why would it be static? Are we just saying that it wasn't working because it was just static? Okay. Well, I mean, I can't go through the door. I mean, that is, we are halfway there on that one. Holy. That's better than what we had. That's true. This is true. Well, part of the problem is, why are we at 5? That is such a slow door. Let's change that to 2 and then combine and save, and that should be better, I hope, on that front at least. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. I don't want it to be, I'm asking a lot. What if I don't want it to be end? What if I want it to be like on a, You know, because like as it currently stands, I have to stand on top of the door in order to get it to continue to open. I just want it to continue to open. So is there a way to like change the timing on that? On component activated. No. On component hit. Event calling opponent hits. This can happen to do things like character movement or for events when objects overlap, e.g. blocking to trigger see the overlap. What does reverse from end mean? Oh, that it'll just jump from the end to, okay. Really, would rather just have a I'd really rather just have a like I click on it and it opens rather than I walk into it and it opens. Like, no thank you. Enable click events, enable touch events. Click event keys, left mouse button. Yep. Okay. Compile. Thank you. Save. Thank you. In which case we can now do this. We can say goodbye to that, and goodbye to that, and we can go box and on component. This question mark? An component when a touch input is received over this component when touch events. No, unclicked. Yep. Play. And what we want to play is if I click on the door. No, just actually ignore that. Button press, yeah. Unclick box, play. Okay. Now, the question with this is it gonna be able to, it's not gonna be able to tell a difference of when it should play open versus when it should play it in reverse or close. So that's awkward. We gotta figure out. I mean, I could do it so you have to hold it in. That's not what we want. How do we do that? I mean, theoretically, you just do on input touch begin. You play it in reverse. Okay, let's try this. Oh my gosh. So much for building an elevator. Hey, what are we running? Yeah, no. Can't just drag that over there. I just want this in existence. Oh, maybe what I actually could just... No. Never mind. What am I doing here? If I do that, I just need to know if it's actually like doing anything. Uh-huh. What in the world? Okay, stop everything. Just stop. Just cease. Just cease. No, say no to those for now. Go back to the door. This stupid door. My gosh. Yeah, so if we hit it, we want it to just open. Now, how do we get it to close, though, is the question. And the answer is, I don't know. I don't know, because, like, I would want to just add another... Well, let's see if that works first before we do anything else here. Okay. Hello. Hitting the door. Hitting the door. Okay, never mind. Just never mind. Everyone, that was a joke. That was a joke. Haha. Why? If there's no reverse, does it close? It's not. Well, it won't. Not that I can get through the door anyway. Which, speaking of, let's figure that out. Like, how come I can't go through this? I want to go through this. World object that ignores pawn and vehicle. All other channels we sent to default. What? I mean, I could do that, but like that's not gonna be, because then the doors might as well not exist at all. I don't think. Like. Is that what I think I want? I don't know. Well, the door opens, and I can go through now. But like, that is not. I need the door itself to still be blocking me. Block all. I want the door to block. The frame to not block. Is that too much to ask? Too much to ask, clearly. I don't know how to do that. How to have door block character, but not door frame. UE5. Change the collision complexity of the door frame to use simple collision as complex. What does that mean? Yeah, I don't know. What we're talking about with that one. In the static mesh. In this, you say, there's a collision section. And the collision section here is here. And it would be chilling. Collision presets, block all, project default. Holy mackerel. What does this mean? Collision complexity. Use simple as complex. Yep. Sure. That's gonna work. We all believe that. We totally believe that that will work the way we want it to. Just go through the door! No! Why won't you go through there? Am I too fat? Is that the problem? We're just too fat. We just can't make it through the doorway. I don't need that open. What is this? Spot? No, we don't need that open. Holy macrimony, none of this makes any sense right now at all. Just project default again, it's fine. You know, the issue here is that, like, I can't get this dang door to block me if I unblock the frame. Like, I need the door itself to just say, yeah, you can't get by until I've opened. And it doesn't say that. It says, fuck you, bro. I'm doing what I want. And I just cry. I just cry a bit. I just want my character to go through the door. That's all. Is that just too much? That's just too much, huh? I don't understand why this wouldn't work. Like, why can I just walk through now? Why? Tell me why. Why does it work like that? Like, does anyone know? Does anyone know at all why it works like that? I don't. Wow. You know? Okay, this is not helpful, turns out, which is unfortunate. I was hoping it would be helpful. Is the door frame just too narrow? Like, it's just too narrow. And that's the problem. And if that is the case, what am I supposed to do about that? Is there a way to shrink me? Like how much space I'm taking up? Right, I'm a character with arms. I get it. Okay. I just need to know. 0.5 this. So we a tiny little person. That's all on default, right? Yeah. Right, so now we're tiny. We're too big for the frame is the problem. Hey, guess what, guys? We're too big for the frame. That's great. That's fantastic. I love that even. Yeah, well, let's skinnyify ourselves. Even 0.75 is too fat for the frame. The frame won't let us through. Or is it that I'm too tall? Maybe the problem is that I'm too tall. Well, let's just try changing that first. So I'm the skinniest little person I've ever seen. And then... Am I too tall? Is the problem just that I'm too tall? Hold on, everyone. Let's go back to 1. And then let's 0.9. Yeah, we're gonna be a little short. Just a tad. Ugh. Let's do 0.75. We're pretty tiny now, and we still can't get the rotate. Okay, so 0.5. Is it just height or is it both? It's probably both, and I just want it to be one. No, it's height. Are we serious? Why do I have to be 0.5 to make it through? What in the world? Why do I have to be half height? Who designed this? Like, no offense, it's pretty good actually generally, but like, why would you build a door that you can't get through with the default? Who? What in the? Okay. Why do I have to be a tiny person in order to make it through that? I wish I could just see what was colliding with the door. You know? Like... Hold on, everyone. We're gonna do something. We're gonna add the door in here. SM door frame specifically. Thank you. I need to know. I gotta know. Not what I want. Hold on, everyone. I want to move its location down, please. I need to know. I just want to know. Why can't we get through the door? Man, I wish I knew. It's fine. Like, we should be able to get through the door, judging by what we just looked at. And yet, we can't get through the door unless we're literally like half the height that we are otherwise. Hey, where is the door? Why is there no door here? What the? Where's the door? Ha. Why did the door go way over there? Why did that happen? I don't understand. Why is the door doing that? Why is the door defaulting to that position? Why is that the default position for the door if I've attached it to the box? Somebody explain that? Somebody explain that? And how do I fix it? How do I get it to not be the default? The door exists, even though this seemingly claims it does not, which makes about as much sense as everything else today has made. What in the world? This was supposed to be just a simple thing, and now I can't. I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Well, what have we learned today? We've learned that I don't know anything, which is something to learn, I guess. That is something to learn, I suppose. Is there a way to like make the talking about the frame again? Like if we remove the collision up top, right? Like this chunk of it. So that just ceased existing in terms of collision. That would fix our problem. That would fix our problem somehow. I just want to go through the door. Okay, yeah, just default. That's fine. Probably not. I'm gonna assume not, but is there a way to, you know, just select the part of the mesh to do stuff with? The top does exist as a separate thing. So says that. I don't want to, how do I, hold on everyone then. What the? What in the world are we talking about? I want to just, I just want to grab the top and remove collision. That's it. That's all. That's all I want to do. How do I do that? I don't know. Collision. Oh, collision, collision, collision. What is this? Wow, this is just great and exciting. I am tired of this. It might be break time, and then I can look stuff up on my own time, and then come back and hopefully be able to just be like, hey, look, I solved this. I figured it out. Is this? We've done it. I don't like that's clearly not the best way to solve this problem. But also I think we did it, right? Like, this is the top. This is one side and this is the other side. And we removed collision for the top. And so it is no longer blocking us, our head, and so we can walk through. Now the issue with this is that the door doesn't block us at all, because as far as I can tell, it doesn't exist, despite existing clearly. Like, it exists here in the blueprint, but it doesn't exist here, which makes no sense. I don't. Where's the door? I don't know. Where did the door go? Who could say? Like, why doesn't it exist here? Like, where is it? Is it because it's not static anymore? I don't know. Wall. Chair. Oh my god. Why doesn't the door exist? That's you know what, I'm done. I think this whole stream I was supposed to build an elevator, and I was like, oh, if we have time, we can figure out levels and stuff. And then this whole stream, the past almost 2 hours, have been nothing but this dumb door. I guess I built this room, which is operating on a technicality as a as an elevator. I should at least change the mesh to something else that looks more elevatory. Is there metal? Metal. There's some weird stuff, that's for sure. Yeah, that works, I guess. Wow, that's not sketchy at all. Yeah, no, maybe we just stick with that. I don't think there's anything better than that in here. Yeah, maybe not that one. I don't need the UE4 logo everywhere. I don't know. Yeah, that exists for sure. Wow, some of these are wild. Not as wild as that. Yeah, copper. Sure, I like that. What was that called? What was that called? Metal chrome. Okay. I just am doing this so I feel like something happened. Because I definitely feel like nothing happened. The floor, we don't want to be wood. I don't know what we want it to be, but not wood. What else we got going on in this giant list of textures, huh? What is this? Wow, that's bright. Why is it so bright? No, why is it so bright? That's insane. Okay, yeah, let's just keep making it even brighter than it was. That one was even called floor, and it doesn't look anything like a floor. Man, there's just so many things right now. We can make it the ocean. Yeah, that's trippy. So many wild. Oh, RGB fluorine. What are these? Oh, I could spend all day doing this. Skin? Ew. Okay. Let's just choose one and move on. Yeah. Okay. I don't want to be here all day. I was wrapping up the stream and then I got so sidetracked. So sidetracked here. Let's make it that dark one. I like that. That's fine. That works. There's my elevator. Kinda, sorta. That floor actually is not anything. We'll change that later. Yeah, we've only halfway solved problems. I will look that up. Door stuff. Before next time. Speaking of, let's see. What was I talking about? Next time, right? Wednesday will probably be the next time I stream. Yeah, probably. I think it's already on the channel, as scheduled. Yeah, I'll be Signalis Part 2. I don't think we'll finish Signalis on Wednesday, but maybe. We'll see. And then Thursday, for sure, we should be back with another stream. And hopefully I'll figure out the doors by then. Hopefully. Cross your fingers, we will. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. So thanks for watching, everyone, and have yourself a good one. Bye bye.